Chellyz is making waves in the Chia community, being the first Ethereum NFT project with a free claimable NFT on the Chia blockchain. By the end of this video, you'll be able to claim a Chellyz NFT of your own, and it's done in 3 steps. Mint a Hyper Jellyz NFT on the Ethereum blockchain, then you'll be able to redeem your V2 claim check NFT, and then finally claim your Chellyz NFT on the Chia blockchain. Pretty simple, so let's get into it. To mint a Hyper Jellyz NFT using MetaMask, go to hyperhexnft.com/hyperjellyz. Each hyperjelly is 0.01 ETH plus the Ethereum blockchain fees. So send yourself at least 0.02 ETH to cover both. Next, copy the send address, HYPERJELLYZ.ETH, open up MetaMask, click the send button, and paste the address. Click the address that's displayed, click I understand, and make sure to type in 0.01 ETH. Click next, and confirm. In a few minutes, you should see a new NFT minted and in your wallet. You'll want to install and set up your Chia wallet. In the new browser tab, open the first time Chia wallet setup video, or click the link in the description to get it set up before the next step. By this point, you should have a freshly minted Hyper Jellyz NFT in MetaMask and set up your Chia wallet with a DID. To claim your Chellyz NFT on the Chia blockchain, you first need to get a free V2 mint check by connecting your MetaMask and Chia wallets together. In your browser, go to claim.hyperhexnft.com. Under the blue Ethereum icon, click Connect Wallet and select the MetaMask wallet. Again, if you haven't created your Chia wallet and a Chia DID, then make sure to watch the first time Chia wallet setup linked in the description. Now let's connect your Chia wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet under the green Chia icon. You'll see a QR code pop up. Click the copy button at the top of the QR code. Go to the Chia wallet and make sure you're synchronized, and then click the Wallet Connect button. Click Add Connection button, paste the URL, and click Continue. You should see a connected screen, and now you can click the Close button. If you hop over back to the Chellyz claim page, you should see the scan for Hyper Jellyz. Go ahead and hit that. What's happening in the background is the MetaMask wallet is being scanned for a Hyper Jelly just to verify that you are indeed the owner, and then you'll receive your mint check. And voila, you should have a Hyper Jelly that you minted show up here. All you have to do at this point is click the Take Offer button, hop back to your Chia wallet, and you'll see that you have a confirmation request just like you did on the MetaMask side, but now you also have it on the Chia side. Hop over to the NFT tab and wait for the NFT to arrive. And a few minutes later, the V2 claim check should arrive in your wallet, which means you are ready to claim your Chellyz NFT. This is the easy part. Go ahead and click on the V2 claims check NFT, click on the little menu item, select the view on Mint Garden option, scroll down to take a look which Chellyz you're gonna get, and copy the offer file. Back in the Chia wallet, click the Offers tab and paste the offer file you copied. This is where you can inspect the offer file and verify the NFT has the correct provenance being created by HyperHex. If you see the invalid metadata URL or title not available, do check the provenance on Mint Garden and verify that it was created by the artist you expect it to be. In this case, it's HyperHex, so it's all safe. We can hop back to the wallet. Do provide a little bit of XCH, aka Mojos, for the fees to help the swap go faster. Click the Accept Offer button and click Yes, Accept Offer. At this point, you're gonna have to give Chia blockchain a few minutes to do its magic. Going back to the NFTs tab, you should see your claim check disappear and a brand new Chellyz NFT appear. Magic. If you still see the title not available, you can always click on the menu and refresh the NFT data. You may have to do it a few times, and then eventually it'll display all the correct information. The Chia blockchain is focused on decentralization and also privacy. This means your new NFT does not automatically get moved to your DID profile. To show it off via Chia NFT Explorer such as Mint Garden, you do need to move your NFT to your DID profile. To assign your NFT to a DID, simply click the NFT menu, click Move to Profile, select your DID, and give it a small fee, and then click Move. A quick way to know if your transaction has gone through and the blockchain has processed it is by going to the tokens view and then looking at your transactions. If you see something in pending or your wallet is synchronizing, you're just not done yet and you need to give it a few moments. For example, if you go to Mint Garden and you scroll down to look at the provenance, you see that HyperHex minted the NFT, it was transferred to some address, and now, once the transaction is processed, you'll see it being assigned to your DID publicly. Woohoo! Time to celebrate with your new sweet NFT. Click the like button and share this video with others in your community. Also, if you are a creator and want to mint your own NFTs on Chia, watch this video and in 5 minutes you too can be minting NFTs on the Chia blockchain. Thanks for watching and subscribe to be the first to watch new video drops in the future.